हेलो एवरीवन, हाय। आप सभी को मेरी आवाज आ रही है? हेलो एवरीवन, आर यू एबल टू हियर मी? यस। सबरनी जी, हाय, हाउ आर यू? सबरनी जी, हाय। दिनेश जी, हाउ आर यू? हाय निरंजना जी, हाउ आर यू? हेलो एवरीवन, हेलो अनिका शेख जी, हेलो, हाउ आर यू? डीडीपी जी, गुड आफ्टरनून। I am also good, Sabarni ji. Sabarni ji, I'm so sorry for mispronouncing it. Shweta ji, hi, how are you? Hi, Didi Bhuyan ji, how are you? Bhavika ji, hello, how are you? Glad to know, Dhanalakshmi ji, that you can hear me. Okay, so today we are over here. The duration will depend like 2 hours or something accordingly. Hi Asha Arora ji, how are you? Hi Sanat ji, good afternoon. Happy afternoon. Chaliye. So today we are over here to discuss or to talk about Suzhou therapy, right? I hope everyone is having information about acupressure. Still, we'll be just giving a small introduction about what is acupressure. Okay, acupressure is a type of treatment in which when you press a point or when you stimulate a particular point, you feel relief or you feel at ease. That is called as acupressure. When you press some point or when you just stimulate some point and you feel at ease, you feel relieved, that is called as acupressure. Okay, there are many different types of acupressure. No, the topic will be same. DDT Bhuyanji, the topic will be same. It is all about acupressure only, but this will be today full in English. Last time it was in Hindi. Many people asked me to do this session in English also, so today we are over here in English. Okay? Rita Gandhi ji, hi. So we were talking about acupressure. There are many different types of acupressure. Like there are allopathic acupressure, Ayurvedic acupressure. Then we also have reflexology, TCM, that is called as traditional Chinese meridian. Right? We have all these different types of acupressure. There are many more different types of acupressure. Okay. So today we will be talking of one such thing which is called as Suzhou therapy. We will be talking about that today. What is Suzhou therapy? Suzhou therapy was discovered by Professor Park Jae-woo. Suzhou is a Korean word. Okay. Suzhou means it is actually divided into two parts. Su, which means hands, and jok, which means leg. So Suzhou is a type of treatment in which you do not need to touch the whole part or whole body of a person. Okay, you can just stimulate the hand and leg, and you can feel or you can give them ease or relief in their body. Okay, or you can also treat with more three different ways, that is applying seeds, applying magnets on points, and also you can do it the treatment by color therapy. Okay, so this is what is Suzhou therapy. So we'll be talking about the Suzhou therapy today. According to Professor Park Jae-woo, he feels that our body is similar to our hands and legs. Okay, but today we'll be specially talking about our hands. Good afternoon. Bhai motivation ji. Okay. So we were talking about, like, today's we'll specially talking about Suzoc therapy. Okay. As what is the similarity between our hands and legs, our body and our hands. I'm so sorry. Okay. So talking about that is, according to Professor Pagjayu, our thumb represents our face and our head. Our face, our head, and our throat and neck area. Okay, see, why does it represents our thumb? Thumb, what does it represent? It represents our face, our neck, our throat, and our head area. Okay, why? We can see that we are having two phalanx. Okay, on the upper part of our body, which is our head and our neck area, we are having two phalanx over here, the upper girdle and the lower one. Okay, similarly in the thumb you can see there are two joints, the upper joint and the lower joint. Rest all the fingers have three phalanxes or three joints, right? Only the thumb has two joints. Okay, so our face area is represented or correspondent on the thumb. As you can also say it, like, our body is controlled by our brain. Okay, it's fully controlled by our brain. Similarly, if we say in our hands, our hand is controlled by our thumb. Okay, if you are not having your thumb, or if someone is not having their thumb, they can write with the help of their four fingers. No, they cannot write. Okay, so the thumb is the controller of our whole hand. Okay, that is the similarity between the hand and the face area. So our thumb will be representing or corresponding our thumb, our face, our neck, our throat, and our head area. Okay, remember that. Our legs are the longest part of the body. Our two legs are the longest part of the body, and they are just besides each other. Okay, similarly in our hands, if you see, the middle finger and the ring finger are the smallest in the fingers. Okay, are the longest in the fingers. So they will represent our legs. Middle finger and ring finger will represent our legs. Index finger and small finger will represent our hands. Okay, these are our legs, these are our hands, and this will be the correspondence of our face, neck, throat, and head region. Okay, did everyone understood this much? Okay, where will our hands correspond? Please reply. Okay, Rita Gandhi ji understood. Okay, so please let me know, where will our hands correspond or represent in the fingers? Like, which finger will correspond or represent our hands? Yes, anyone? Yes, Suresh ji, right. Right. Index and little finger. Yes, Dr. Anika ji, right. Yes, index and small finger will represent our hands. And our head and neck area or our face area, where will it be located? Shweta ji, right. Veena Kumar ji, right. Bhai motivation ji, yes, your answer is right. Thumb. Dr. Anika ji, right. Nilanjana ji, yes, right. Rashmi ji, right. Okay, yes, everyone is saying right answer. And legs will be the legs corresponding. Yes. Dhanalakshmi ji, right. Dr. Anika ji, yes, your answer is right. Suresh ji, right answer. Sanat ji, right answer. Niranjana ji, right answer. CK Asari ji, right answer. Central two fingers, right, Piyush ji, yes. Rita Gandhi ji, right. Shweta ji, right. Henry ji, right answer. K. Shah ji, your answer is right. Okay, Goody ji, your answer is also right. Dhanalakshmi ji, right answer. Yes. So I like everyone has understood this much. So let's just start with one organs and their location or hand. Okay, let's just locate that. Meena ji, right answer. So first we'll be discussing or starting with our eyes. Okay. So everyone, the eye session, or it will come on the upper part, right? This is the upper phalanx. Our face comes on the upper phalanx of our body. Okay. So over here on the upper phalanx of the thumb, you can see a part. There is a protruding part, which is like a part which has just came out, or in Hindi it is called as ubra hua part. Okay, you can see a part like that, which is called as the nose. You can mark a line like this, and it will be the location of our nose. Just above our nose on both. Hello everyone, you can hear me? There was some kind of network issue. Hello everyone, can you hear me? Okay, Ruchira ji, okay Rushabh ji, yes. Okay. So just above our nose on both the sides is the location of our eyes over here, above it like this. Okay. So is eyes location is clear to everyone? Okay, Henry ji. Okay, Nilanjana ji. Thank you so much. Yes, is it clear to everyone? Please write a yes. Okay, Rita. You have understood. Okay. Okay, the location is clear. Okay. So if someone is having any kind of infection in eyes. Okay, yes for eyes, Kesha ji. Okay, Kirandeep ji, yes. Okay, if anyone is having eye infection problem, okay, they are having infection in eyes, that is like they are having watery eyes problem, or they are having oozing of eye problem. Something is coming out of their eyes, they are having that problem, or if they are having itching in eyes or conjunctivitis, in any of such situation, you will take any kind of black sketch pen, black marker, black pen, anything is okay, and you will apply black color on this point. Okay, what you will apply black color on this point if someone is having any kind of eye infection problem. Okay, for any type of eye infection problem, you will apply black color on eye point. Then if someone is having more problem as weakness of vision, okay, they are not able to see clearly, it might be like poor vision of long or nearby, any kind of problem, or if someone is having cataract problem. Yes, Rita ji, right, black color for eye infection. Okay, cataract problem, glaucoma problem, or problem of ptosis of eye, sty problem, or any other kind of eye disorder, may it be infection or any other kind of eye problem. Yes, it will work for dry eyes too. Applying black color will work for dry eyes too. Okay, for any kind of eye disorder, and in seed therapy, we will take a paper tape. So you will take a paper tape like this, and on it you will apply 2 black pepper seeds. You will apply 2 black pepper seeds, which is also called as kali mirch ke dane in Hindi. Okay, you will take 2 black pepper seeds like this. You will apply it on a paper tape, and then you will apply this on the eyes correspondence properly. So this will be the treatment for any kind of eye disorder. Okay, this will be the treatment for any kind of eye disorder. These points are on both the hands, so you need to apply this tape on both the hands. Okay, after applying the tape, and before also, before applying this seeds, you just need to take a jimmy, okay, and give a stimulation on this point for 30 seconds to a minute. So what you can do is, you with the help of the pointed side of the jimmy, you need to locate the point, that exactly it is paining or no. You need to locate it well properly, and then after locating it, with the help of the back side of the jimmy, okay, or the fat part of the jimmy, you will press or stimulate one point for 30 seconds to a minute. Then you will apply these seeds on this point, and after applying seeds also, okay, after applying seeds also, whenever you are free, you will give stimulation again on these points properly. Okay, you will give a proper stimulation on these points, Again also, whenever you are free, it is not necessarily that you need to do and do. No, it is not like that. If you are free, you can do pressure on it. Okay, then why not? Just do a little pressure. You need to apply the seeds for 8 to 10 hours. And whenever you will remove it, and whenever you will remove the seeds, you need to throw the paper tapes away with the seeds. Okay, and the next day you will take new paper tape with new seeds on it and apply. For small bags under eyes also, this treatment will help. Okay, Ramesh ji. Yes, it is good for low vision also. Yes, it is definitely good for low vision. Okay, is everyone clear? It is clear to everyone till this? Till eyes? Okay. So what seeds will you apply for eye problems? For any kind of eye problem, what seeds will you apply? Or which seeds will you apply for any kind of eye problem? For eye redness also you can, Sureshi, you can use this points, okay? Black pepper you will use, right. And for color, for any kind of eye infection, which color will you use? Yes. For eye infection, which color will we use? Black color. Right. You have given right answer. Everyone has given right answer. Okay. So everyone is now knowing the location of the nose. Okay. We are cleared with the location of the nose. Small bags under eyes. This treatment will definitely be helpful. See, black pepper we use in this point, especially like there are many different types of seeds you can use. But especially for eyes disorder, we use black pepper so that, see, we can see that our eyes are also round in shape and these points are also round in shape. The pupil of eye is round in shape, right? And this one is also round in shape. The point is round in shape. So to give a proper stimulation on that point, we use black pepper seeds. Okay? And for only eyes, we will use black pepper seed. Kirandeep ji, for other colors, there are many different kind of colors. Okay, but if we'll talk about it right now we'll just get confused about it. Okay, so we'll take another section on it, especially for different types of colors. Okay, so we are cleared, or we have looked after the location of the nose over here. Yes. The location of the nose is clear to everyone. So if someone is having cold, if someone is having sneezing problem, if they are having cold issues, if they are having sinus issues, if they are having nasal polyp problem, if they are having bleeding in the nose problem or blocked nose problem or any other kind of nose disorder, may it be nose polyps, may it be sneezing, may it be sinus, may it be cold issues, bleeding in nose, blocked nose or any other kind of nose issues, what we'll do, we'll, with the help of a jimmy, first we'll locate this point with the sharp side of the jimmy or the pointed side of the jimmy. We'll just first locate this point. After locating, with the help of the back side of the jimmy, we'll press this point for 30 seconds to 1 minute properly. Okay, you need to press it properly, and then after that we'll take, in seed therapy, we'll take a paper tape. See, we'll take one paper tape and we'll apply 2 to 3 methi seeds on it. See, we'll apply 2 to 3 methi seeds on this tape in a standing position, okay, or in a standing line, and then we'll apply this on the points properly, okay. And whenever you are free, you can press these points properly, okay. For how much hours we'll apply this seed tape? For how much hours can we use seed tape? Many people do use ajwain, but see, I'll just share the things which I know and I have used. Okay, I do not have, or I don't use the ajwain seed, so I don't know about it. I'm so sorry, Lita ji. Right. For 6 to 8 hours, just maybe 8 to 20 hours is more. Okay, like if you are having a very big issue, kind of, we use 8 to 20 hours. 8 to 10 hours is okay. It is fine. Okay. 8 to 10 hours is well and enough. Yes, right. 8 to 10 hours. So you can apply it while sleeping. Okay. So for any kind of cold issues, we'll apply 8 to 10 hours methi seeds on the nose correspondence. Next is the correspondence of our mouth. Right. Goodiji, right. Your answer is right. You can apply black color on this point for sneezing issues and all other things too. Okay. Next is the location of our mouth. We'll just see the location of our mouth now. See, this will be the location of our mouth. Just below our nose area, you will draw a oval shape, okay, and a small standing line in between, okay, straight line in between, like this. This will be the location of our mouth. Is the location clear to everyone? Yes, just we see all these points right now I am showing, they will be bilateral. Some points, like some points afterwards will be only done on the left hand. We'll discuss that later on, okay? Right now all these points are bilateral, done on both the hands. Kushalji, white pimple or nose problem can also be solved by this treatment, okay? The nose one, okay? The mouth correspondence is clear to everyone? Yes, Rita ji has written yes, Ruchira ji has written yes, and Nilanjana ji has written yes. Okay. So the mouth correspondence is clear to everyone. Okay. So if someone is having problem of bad breath, okay, like they are having like a stinging smell from their mouth. If someone is having problem of pyorrhea, if someone is having problem of gingivitis, that means painful gum or swelling in gums problem, okay, sensitivity to hot or cold water, or if someone is having what we can say, mouth ulcers, tooth decay problem, any other kind of this problem related to mouth, any other mouth disorder, yes, like mouth ulcers, bad breath, pyorrhea, gingivitis, that is painful or swelling in the gums area, or has sensitivity to cold or hot water, toothache, painful tooth, or the tooth are moving, okay, is about to fall, any kind of such issues. So what you will do, you will take one jimmy, with the help of the pointed side of the jimmy will press, or you will do or you will find the location of the point, and after finding the location with the help of the back side of the jimmy, you will press these points properly for 30 seconds to a minute, and then you can apply. So in last thing, in the nose thing, we took 2 to 3 seeds, right, methi seeds. We will apply more 2-3 seeds on this tape. Okay, like this, we will take this much tapes, like 5 to 6 seeds on the tape, and then we will apply it on the point properly. Okay. If someone is having a problem of what we can say, pyorrhea, okay, like there are worms or there is infection kind of in the teeth, okay, there are worms in the teeth kind of problem, then you can apply black color. If someone is having mouth ulcer or tongue ulcer, then also you can apply black color on the point, okay. So we'll apply methi seeds for mouth problem. Tooth pain also you will apply the same. Methi seeds on the mouth correspondence. Then we have, so this much is clear to everyone. So we'll further go till the location of our ears. Now we'll see the location of our ears. So you can see, for bleeding gum also, Rita ji, we will do the same treatment on mouth. Okay. Yes, Ramesh ji, for all kind of tooth problem, teeth problem, gum problem, mouth problem, ulcers or any other kind of mouth problem, you can do the same thing. Also for boils over lips or cracked lips or any other lip problem, you can do the same treatment. Yes. Any other question related to mouth? see black color is right, but the methi seed, it does not need, or it should not be like in a straight line. You can apply it anyhow. Okay, but the whole area should be covered. Okay, so next is the location of, thank you Ramesh ji. Okay, so next is the location of ears. Okay, so as you can see, our ears are not exactly on the front side or are not exactly on the back side. They are on the middle of the, like what we can see, they are on the middle line exactly, right? They are not on the yin side, they are not on the yang side. Okay, so they are exactly in the middle. So similarly, if we see the location of our ears on our thumb, नीरू जी छाले के लिए, that is called as ulcers, आप same treatment माउथ का दे सकते हैं. You can apply mouth points. Okay. Yes, for the location of our ears. So on our hand also, the ears location will not be on the front side or not be on the back side fully. Okay, they will be in the middle. So on the yin yang border, or which we can see where are the white part of our hand and the black part of our hand meet. Okay, on that line, so you can see the line over which the black part and the white part of our hand are meeting. Over there will be the location of our ears. It will start from the ending of the eyes or the middle of the eyes till the ending of our nose. Okay, see our ears are big. Okay, so you will draw two lines on both the sides like this. Okay, is everyone clear with the location of ears? Is it clear? The location of the ears is clear to everyone? Yes, everyone. Is the location of ears clear? Okay, Rita ji. Okay. Okay, so it is clear to everyone? Okay. So what all problems we have in ears? We have problem of eardrum rupture, or we have partial hearing loss. Okay, or there is a ringing sound in ears, or which we also call it as tinnitus, or ear nerve damage, oozing from ears. Okay, that means something is coming out from ear, like pus or something, or any other kind of thing which is coming out from ear. Okay, then for any such problem or any other problem related to ear, any other ear problem or any kind of ear problem, what we will do, we'll take a paper tip, we'll apply 3 methi seeds in a triangle form. See, we'll apply 3 methi seeds in a triangular form like this. We'll take 3 methi seeds and we'll apply one on each side. See, I have applied this on this side. We'll take another tape, we'll take 3 seeds on it, methi seeds on it, and we'll apply on the other part. Is everybody able to hear me? Okay. So the location of the ears is clear to everyone, and the point 2. Okay, like we'll apply 3 methi seeds on one side and 3 methi seeds on the other side. Okay, so there will be total of 12 methi seeds. Okay, thank you everyone. Okay, and for ear infection, we'll apply black color on ear points, or any kind of infection in ears, we'll apply black color on ear joint. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Both is okay, triangular pointing up or down, any is okay. You can just make a triangle and apply point seeds. But basically, if we see now, our upper part of the ear is big and the lower part is small. So what you can do, apply 2 on the above side and 1 on the lower side. That will be really good. Okay, clear with everyone? Yes, it is clear. Infection, you'll apply black color, and seed will apply triangle seed. Right, Rita Gandhiji. Yes. Rita Gandhiji, when you are writing, also mention what we are giving this treatment. Like ears, we'll apply infection, we'll apply black color, and triangle methi seeds. Okay. Yes. Right. Kidney seeds over here, they'll be too big to apply kidney seeds. This portion is not that much big, and your thumb, like we cannot apply that much big seed on it. Yes. Okay. So now, what will be the next point? What will we be treating now? What is remaining are on the front portion or on the upper portion? What is remaining now? See, we have talked about eyes, we have talked about ears, we have talked about nose, we have talked about mouth. What else is remaining? Jaw will be coming. Okay, ear infections. Throat is still a time. On the upper side, what is remaining on the upper side more? Throat and neck, we have time to discuss it. Like on the upper girdle, yes, the face is remaining. Okay, Jasmiji, yes, your answer is right. Still our forehead or the full head portion is remaining. Our brain part is remaining. Yes. Sanatji, yes, you can definitely apply for aged person, or for anyone who is having problem related to ears, you can apply the same treatment. Like you cannot apply seeds to small kids which are really small, like 2 to 3 years, or they are just born or something. You cannot apply. But if they are above 3 years old, you can apply to anyone. Yes, our brain points are remaining. Rita ji, yes, ear infection means pus in ears. Okay. Or if someone is having kind of fungal infection in ears, they have that. Okay, for that also this will help. Okay, so next will be the location of our brain. If we can see, there are 4 parts of our brain. Okay, the first one is the, just a minute, frontal headache. Okay, yes, we are taking about that. Okay, so there are 4 parts of our brain. The first is this one, the forehead region. Then the second is the temporal area. Okay, temporal area, which is also called as the sides of the brain. The third is the top of head, which is called as the parietal area or the vertex area. And the fourth one is the occipital, or at the back of the head. Okay, over here. The fourth point comes over here, right? There are 4 parts of the brain. Similarly, if we see, there we'll actually draw 4 parts of the brain. So just above the eyes region, over here on the thumb, just above the eyes region over here, this will be the location of our forehead. Okay, on both the sides over here, this will be the region of the temporal, right? So over here also, on both the sides, this will be the region, or this will be the correspondence on the temporal area. Just below our nail region, over here, or the tip of the thumb, will be the location of our parietal or vertex region, or the top of the head region. And the back of the head or the occipital region will come on the back side. See, just below our nails, till this region, this will be the region of, till the first joint region. Okay, just below the nail region, this will be the location of the occipital area. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone, or should I explain it once more? Please let me know. Clear? Okay, okay. Okay, so if you are having pain, or if you are having headache, if you are having problem of migraine, okay, if you are having problem of migraine, headache, paralysis problem, brain tumor problem, Parkinson's problem, if anyone is having a high BP problem or low BP problem, or if they are having problem of insomnia, they are not able to sleep properly, they are having problem of sunstroke, memory problem, memory loss, or if someone is having, some children are having dyslexia problem, okay, they are not able to grasp like whatever they are reading, they are not able to concentrate, they are not able to memorize things properly, or any other kind of brain related disorder, might be epilepsy, Parkinson's, any such thing, you will, what you will do is you will take a paper tape, okay, you will take a paper tape like this, you will put this much seeds on it, this much methi seeds on it, and then you will just roll it on the full thumb area like this, okay. So this will be the treatment for any kind of brain disorder, may it be migraine, may it be headache, or it may be what else, paralysis, Parkinson's, tumor in brain, or high BP, low BP problem, insomnia. Many times right now we are hearing the problem of brain cancer, okay, sunstroke, memory loss, dyslexia, any such kind of problem, you will apply a methi seed, you will roll it full properly, just not one portion of the head, you will cover the whole head, okay. And while covering the whole head, you will also cover the frontal points also, so it will be like a double benefit, okay. Like with the brain points, if you are also giving the face points, so there may be some kind of issue in face, you are not able to see right now, or symptoms which are not showing clearly right now, then also it will help to reduce that problem. Below the nail area, yes, you can cover the upper the nail part also, okay, it won't harm. Yes, you need to cover the upper part also, so what you can do is just apply one more tape like this from the upper side. Yes, you need to cover the full white patches on face, just 2 minutes, okay. We'll just cover complete this head part, and then we'll talk on that, okay. So everyone is clear with this, this much is clear to everyone, yes. Yes, it will be uploaded, so you can just watch it anytime you want, Ramesh ji. It will be with you for lifetime, okay. It is fenugreek seed or methi dana, okay. I'm so sorry, I forgot to say it in English. Okay, yes, so it is clear with everyone. Now if you see, we have talked about our mouth region, nose, eyes and things, right? So our whole face area will also be on this part only, right? Just like which is not marked region over here, this will the correspondence of our face, our cheeks and thing. So if someone is having a problem of blackheads, if someone is having problem of what we can say blackheads, then white patches on face, blemishes, pigmentation problem, or if someone is having dark circle under eyes, like dark circles on eyes, or any other kind of face problem, acne, pimples, okay, any other problem if they are having, what you can do is you can take black color, black sketch pen, black pen, and you will cover the whole upper part of the thumb, and you will apply black color on it, okay. So you can apply black color on the point, on the whole this region you will apply black color for pimples, for acne problem, for blackheads problem, for white patches on face, for blemishes, for pigmentation, for any kind of boils on face, okay, or any other such problem, you can apply the same thing. For trigeminal neurology also you can use this same point, also for double chin, face swelling, okay, or if someone is having facial paralysis, which is also called as Bell's palsy, okay, So for that you will do face points, also with you will cover the head point. So what you can do, again you can take the whole methi seal and you will apply it full properly on the thumb region, covering your face, your head and everything. Okay. Alopecia also you can do the same treatment. Yes, Sujata, there are points to treat like removing addictions and side effects of medicine. Yes, there are points. We'll discuss about them definitely. Okay. So clear with everyone? So we'll just move ahead now. Okay. For hair loss, I'm so sorry Rameshji. For hair loss, we'll use the brain points. Okay. We'll do the brain points for hair loss problem. Hair loss, if someone's scalp is seen, you are able to see the scalp, or any other kind of hair problem like dandruff in hair, or the hairs are not silky smooth, they are rough and tough. For all these problems you can use the head points. Okay. Clear with everyone? Should we move ahead? Yes. Okay. So now next is the location of our throat. Okay. So if the upper part of the face, or like the face area, comes on the upper part of the thumb or on the upper phalanx of the thumb, then where will be the location of the throat region? Please let me know that. Then where will be the location of the throat area? Right, Anika ji. Yes, on the lower phalanx, below mouth. Okay. On the lower phalanx of the thumb. Below the first line. Yes, right answer. Below the head? No, not below the head. Below the face area. Okay. Henry ji. Yes, below the mouth, not on these on the line itself, just below it. Okay, this will be the location. Below the second line of the thumb. Yes, below the first line it is. Okay, this is the first line of the thumb, or the first joint of the thumb. Let's see. Definitely. Okay. So you can, if you let's see, we can see. Okay, our this starting from here, this is the portion of our neck, right? But over here, this is a blank space, or the cheeks portion below jaw area, and this over here in the middle, exactly over here, this is the location of our. Thank you so much, Sujata. Thank you so much. Okay, this will be the location of our throat region, our thyroid region. Okay, our parathyroid, our thyroid region. Okay, also the location of our esophagus and our windpipe. Okay, so this will be the location of all these things. So do remember, if someone is having throat pain, if someone is having laryngitis, pharyngitis, tonsillitis problem, if someone is having throat infection, if someone is having problem of shrunken esophagus, if someone's esophagus is shrinking, if someone is having that problem, or any issue related to voice, okay, any issue related to voice, thyroid problem, parathyroid issues, like the calcium is increasing in the body, if someone is having problem of that, their calcium is increased in the body, and because of that calcium stones are forming in the body, then that may be the issue, because of your parathyroid gland is active, very active, which we can say. Okay, if someone is having sore throat, so for all this problem you will stimulate this throat point. Okay, for all such issues you will stimulate this throat point. So what we'll take a ring like this, we'll take an acupressure ring, and with the help of the ring you will just give a stimulation on these points properly. Okay, on the throat point properly. So for 30 seconds to 1 minute you will do this. If someone is having issues of tonsils, sore throat and issues as such, okay, then you can use black color, black sketch pen, black marker or black pen, any kind of is okay, and you will apply black color on this throat area, on the circle area, okay, over here. And for all other issues related to throat, like thyroid problem, parathyroid problem, laryngitis, pharyngitis, tonsils issues, sore throat problem, or voice issues, esophagus problem, trachea problem, that is the windpipe is having any problem, any obstruction, for all these issues, okay. Yes, golden wire ring, silver wire ring, any is fine. Okay, Rita ji? We'll take again the methi seeds. We'll take the methi seed tape again and we'll apply it on the throat region over here like this properly. Okay. We'll also cover the neck portion also. So if someone is having stiffness of neck or any other kind of problem, that point will also be covered. Okay. For cold also we will do the same treatment. Okay. Is it clear with everyone? Hello Samir Roy ji, hello. Yes, so is it clear to everyone? Then we shall just move towards the next thing, which is our neck region. Okay. Or if someone is having any kind of questions, you can also ask that. Yes, okay. So just besides or just on the back side of the throat region over here, this will be the location, or the second joint of the thumb, this will be the location of our neck region. Okay. So on the back side of the hand, on the second phalanx of the thumb, this will be the location of our neck region. Neck is moving, like we can move our neck like this. If it is not moving, it is called as stiffness in neck. Salva ji, you are asking like how many days we need to apply the treatment. So the treatment will depend on how long you are having the problem, or like from how long like you are facing this problem. Okay, it will depend on that. Yes, the location is clear of neck to everyone. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. So if anyone is having neck pain, stiffness in neck, or if nowadays we all are full day on phone, right, or doing some kind of work in our on our laptop or watching TV, okay. So like we always sit like this doing work, right? We always sit like this. Then there may be a stiffness in neck because doing a lot of work, or might be like that. Okay, like shaking in neck, you are saying. So that then also you can use this point. Okay. Yes, it will be the location from C1 to C7. The location will come over here. So if anyone is having a cervical spondylitis problem, cervical spondylosis problem, okay, nerve degeneration in cervical area, or if any other problem is there, cervical pain is there, okay. So for all of these things you will use this point. Suresh ji, for vitiligo, like we will discuss it later on, okay. Is it clear to everyone? So the same, what treatment we will do over here, we will take a ring. With the help of the ring, you will just stimulate this point properly for 30 seconds to 1 minute. You will give a good stimulation. You can do this daily. So then like for vertigo you can use head points, which we discussed earlier. Okay. There are chances that many people have vertigo because of neck problem also. So you can also give like neck points too. Okay. So we'll just stimulate this point for 30 seconds to 1 minute. You can do this treatment daily if you are not having neck pain also. But if you have a problem, like if you have a situation like you are daily on phone or your work is like that you need to be on phone full time. Okay. Then for that you can definitely use this ring. It will help you. Okay. And then we will take again a methi seed tape and apply this tape on the neck and throat correspondence fully. You will cover both the points. Okay. Always remember to cover 2 points together. Like while you are doing treatment, just do not apply points for neck pain. Apply for throat pain also. So if you are having some kind of problem in throat, might be their symptoms might not be showing right now, or thyroid issues, it will cover both the points. For migraine, head points you need to give. For vertigo, head and back, head and neck, both points you need to give. Okay. Because in some people there are chances, or in migraine also some people have a tendency like they have migraine because of neck pain. Okay. There are many times there are tendencies like that. So for that issues you can take both the points, you can apply both the points. Is it clear with everyone? Yes, is it clear to everyone? Should we move ahead? Yes, okay. Okay. So next we have the location of our lungs. Let's see that. We'll first discuss the location of the lungs and heart together. Then we'll just talk about the treatment of our back headache. If you cover the whole head portion, then the back headache will also be clear. Okay? Okay. So, this this is the ending, okay, of the thumb, right? On the ending line, if we draw from the middle, Suzhou is permanent, but it depends. This treatment depends like how much hours you are giving the treatment, how long you are giving the treatment, and also it will depend on the person if he is like trusting your therapy or not, he is trusting on you or not, and like how long the person is having this problem. It all depends on this. Okay, and if you are like your intentions are good and you want that the opposite person, or if you are doing it for yourself, that you are trusting the therapy, and if you want like everything will be clear and everything will be okay, then the results are definitely of this treatment. Okay, for fever, Suresh ji will discuss later on. Okay, so for lungs, see, this is the ending part of the thumb. Okay, this line is the ending of the thumb. On the center of this line, if you draw a straight line downward, okay, if you draw a straight line on your palm till this lifeline, okay, till the lifeline is coming over here, if you draw a straight line, and where both of this meet on the above side, if you draw a circle, this will be the location of the heart, and on both the sides, this will be the location of the lungs. From the center of the thumb joint over here, if you draw a straight line down till over here, you can see this location of the lifeline, this lifeline over here, this, till if you draw a straight line from this, so this will be the location of our heart, and on both the sides, this is the location of the lungs. Is the location clear of heart and lungs? Please let me know. Is the location of heart and lungs clear to everyone? Yes, Nilanjana ji. Okay. Okay. Clear? Okay. So first we'll be talking about lungs now. Lungs disorder. If someone is having asthma problem, or if they are having problem of bronchitis, pneumonia fever if someone is having, or having lungs abscess problem, lung TB problem, COPD or COPD problem, tumor in lungs, pulmonary edema, that means inflammation or swelling or water is filled in lungs, that problem, or any other kind of lung issues. Any kind of lung issues, may it be asthma, bronchitis, pneumonia, lungs abscess, lung TB, COPD, lungs tumor, pulmonary edema, which is also called as swelling, or if inflammation in lungs, or if anyone is having problem that water is filled in lungs, any kind of such issues, you will use both this lungs point. Okay. So what we will do over here is, we will take black gram seeds, we will take 2 paper tape, see, on a paper tape we will apply 1 black gram seed, or if someone is having white pea seeds, that is also fine. Okay, white peas or black gram seeds. Cough with cold in lungs, yes, that for that also you can use the same treatment. Okay, for cough, okay, we will take 2 seeds like this, and on the center of the lungs area we will apply this each on one side. Over here I have applied one, and the other one on the second lung part. Okay, you will apply this on both the hands like this. So this will be a treatment for any kind of lung disorder. If someone is having tendency of too much cough, and the cough is filled in chest, okay, like mucus, any problem as such, phalgum mucus which we called it as, if it is filled in the lungs area, in the chest area, if they feel it like that, then you can definitely use this points of lungs. Is it clear to everyone? Yes? Okay, Dinesh ji, Preeti ji, Rishabh ji, Kesha ji. Okay. So next is the location. Suresh ji, for this one, it will be a very big topic, like talking about energies like wind, fire, humidity, dryness or coldness. Not in this session. We'll definitely have a separate session for this topic. We'll definitely come up with it. Okay? Okay. So next is the heart. As we can see, this is the location of the heart. It is clear to everyone, right? So for heart, what problems there will be? There is problem of breathlessness. Like in Hindi it is called as saas phulna. Like they are not able to breathe properly. They are not able to breathe properly. If someone is having a problem of nervousness, they feel nervous every time. They are very nervous. Or if someone is having problem of restlessness, okay, restlessness in Hindi it is called as bechani. If they are having problem of cardiac failure, shock, heart attack, disorder of heart valve, or heart infection problem, or any other kind of heart disorder, okay, might be heart is enlarging in size or getting shrunken, any kind of such problem, you will take a jimmy. With the help of the jimmy, you will press the heart point properly for 30 seconds to 1 minute, and after that, with the help of a seed, that is black gram seed, or you can use pea seeds, white pea seed, and you can apply it on this point properly on both the hands. Okay, angina, palpitation, okay, it will help for that, definitely for palpitation, for angina pain, it will helpful. we'll definitely discuss for depression. For depression, you can definitely use the brain points. For depression, you can use brain points. Okay. If someone is having heart infection problem, what color or which color will you use? If someone is having problem of heart infection, which color will we use? Please let me know about it. If someone is having problem of heart infection, which color will we use? Anusha ji, your answer is right. Black color. Dhanalakshmi ji, yes, black color. Nilandana ji, no, not green color. For infections, as earlier, we'll only use black color. Okay, black color is only and only for infections. All type of infections are cleared by black color. Okay. CK Ansari ji, not red color. No, we'll not use red color. For any type of infections, do remember, if a word infection is coming, may it be on any part of the body, you will apply only and only black color. Do remember it. Okay. Ramesh ji, the answer is not red. No. Only and only black color. For any kind of heart infection problem or any kind of infection in anywhere in the body, on that location you will apply black color. Okay. Next, from now on, till now we have discussed the location of the points which were bilateral, which were on both the hands. Now we will discuss of some points. Okay, starting from stomach till large intestine. We will treat this point only and only on left hand. Okay, only and only on left hand. Starting from stomach organ till large intestine organ, you will treat all these points only and only on left hand. If you are a physiotherapist and if you know that the both of the hands location or both of the organs location are different on both hands, then you can apply it on both hands. Otherwise, you will only treat all these points only on left hand, starting from stomach till small intestine. Okay, so let's know the location. Okay, starting from the location of the stomach region. Okay, now please bear with me. I am a left-handed person and I really have a bad drawing on. I can really draw really bad on left hand. So please bear me with this. Okay. See, this is the location of our stomach on the left hand. Exactly on the wrist joint, exactly in the center. If you go just above it, this will be the location of our stomach on the left hand. For varicose veins, we will discuss later on. Okay, doctors Sri Lakshmi ji will definitely discuss it when we will be talking about legs. Is the stomach location clear to everyone? Please let me know. See? Yes? Okay, it is clear? Okay. Okay, so what all issues do you have in stomach? So you will be having, if someone is having issues of gas, indigestion, acidity, acid reflux problem, stomach pain or stomach ulcers problem, stomach worms, okay, stomach tumors. If someone is feeling a lot of hungry, all of a sudden he is feeling like a lot of hungriness or or not at all feeling hungry, appetite problem, okay, loss of appetite, which is called as, in all these things we will use the stomach point. Okay, for all such issues we will use stomach point. For gas, indigestion, acidity, acid reflux, stomach ulcers, stomach pain, stomach feeling too much hungry all of a sudden or too less hunger if they are feeling, you correspondence or stomach point on all this is with the help of a jimmy. We'll press this point properly for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay, and then we'll take a black gram seed and we'll apply this on this point properly. Okay. Sujata, for constipation we'll use intestinal points, okay, not stomach points. Okay, so we'll use, and if someone is having gas issues or if someone is having issues of what we can say acidity, acid reflux, you can definitely use green color on the stomach point. Okay, for acidity, gas, acid reflux problem, you can use green color on the stomach point. Okay, if someone is having stomach infection or stomach worms, what color will you use? If someone is having stomach infection or stomach worms, which color will you use? Yes, Anusha ji, right. Right answer. Nilandana ji, right answer. Suresh ji, not green color. Green color only for gas, acidity, acid reflux. Okay. Anika ji, right answer. Henry ji, right answer. Selva ji, right answer. Meena ji, right answer. Black color. We'll use black color. Yes, Dinesh ji, right. For bloating also you can use this point, and for hiccup also you can use this point. Okay, you can use this point for both of them. Abhi, if someone is having, okay, so now we have cleared with the stomach point. Next point we will use is of spleen. We'll know the location now of spleen, which in Hindi is called as tilli. In English it is called as spleen. Yes, every one of you have given the right answer. So just on the side of the stomach, over here towards thumb side, this will be the location of our spleen. Okay, just besides of the stomach region, on towards the thumb side on the left hand, you will treat this point only and only on the left hand. This will be the location of our spleen area. Now let us know why is spleen important in our body. Okay, if someone is having problem related to blood, any kind of blood disorder, okay, because of blood disorder we can also have allergies. If you are having any kind of allergies in body, if you are having any kind of infection in your body, if you are having vitiligo problem, that means white patches on the skin, all these issues are because of blood. Okay, blood issues. It shows that there are some issues in your blood. If you are having deficiencies in blood, like your RCBs are low, or if your hemoglobin is low, HB is low, if your WBCs are low, any kind of blood disorder, if your blood has like it is clotting of blood, so if you are having problem of that, okay, or any kind of blood disorder, you will always use spleen point. Okay, also spleen is also one of the part or of the organ which is a part of our immunity system. Like tonsils is a part of our immunity system, our spleen is also a part of the immunity system. So if you are having any kind of immunity disorder, or if your immunity is weak and if you want to increase your immunity, you will use this spleen point. For infections, for any kind of allergies, for any kind of blood issues, spleen will only be on left hand, okay, not on right hand. Do remember that. If you are feeling tiredness, if you are feeling laziness whole day, if your body is tired, if you feel tiredness by doing a little kind of work, if you do somewhat work and if you feel tiredness, you will use this point. If you are feeling fatigue, okay, if you are having fatigue, yes, storehouse of energy, Ritaji, right. Spleen is the storehouse of energy. Okay, if you are having fatigue, if you are having anemia problem, yes, for psoriasis also you will use the same spleen point. if you are having anemia problem, if you are having weak immunity, if you are having weakness in body, for all these things. Okay, if someone is having splenomegaly, that means the enlargement of the spleen size, if it is this much, but because of some reason if it grows to this much in size, it is growing in size, which is called as enlargement of spleen or splenomegaly. For all these issues, you will use this spleen point. What you will do with the help of a jimmy, we'll press this spleen point properly, we'll stimulate this spleen point for 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then we'll take one black gram seed. Okay, we'll take one black gram seed and we'll apply it on this point like this. Okay, so this will be the treatment of all these issues right now which I have said. Is it clear to everyone? Spleen enlargement also, Ramesh ji, you will use the same point. Okay, you will apply one black gram seed, Bengal gram seed, which is also called as. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, Anusha ji, okay. Next, we will now discuss about pancreas. Now we will be discussing about pancreas. See, just above the stomach location, on the curve of the stomach over here like this will be the location of our pancreas. Okay, just above the spleen over here, this will be the location of our pancreas. Pancreas, you will only and only do the treatment of this on left hand. Okay. Is the location of pancreas clear? Yeah, Surinder ji, yes. If you are using wrong colors, there are chances of some like negative problems coming. Okay. So always, that's why we do not discuss about color therapy much, because it may be confusing to people. It is confusing to people if it is not cleared properly. Okay. So that's why I am not going in depth with color therapy right now, because it will be really confusing, and if you just by mistakenly apply some other color on the point which I have said, supposedly if I am saying black color and you are applying green color, then there may be chances that there may be some kind of issues growing on that point. Okay, so definitely we are not using much of color therapy in this. Okay, so is the location of pancreas, is the location of pancreas clear to everyone? Yes, okay, Surendra ji, okay, Rita ji. So on pancreas, what issues, what problems do you face in pancreas? Which is the common problem of pancreas? Location clear? Okay, Henry ji. Which are the common issues which we face because of pancreas not working well, or such issues? What are issues? Diabetes, Anusha ji, yes. The main one is the diabetes. And what other issues we have in pancreas? Please let me know about that also. Yes, diabetes. For increasing energy level, yes, black gram on our spleen point you can use. Yes, diabetes is one of the major problem which we which we face because of pancreas. If our pancreas is not working properly, we are having problem of diabetes. Yes, Bhavika ji, it will definitely cure diabetes. But see, it will depend on how long you are having diabetes. Diabetes is not something which is like happened to you like with before a month or something. In our body, it is grown from many years or things. Okay, so it will definitely take time. May it be type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, it will definitely help you for that. If someone is having pancreatic cancer, it will also help for that. Point will also help for that, or any other kind of pancreas issues. Okay. Yes, any other kind of pancreas issues, we will use this point. For digestion juice, yes, it releases one kind of digestion juice, insulin. pancreas are if not working properly, then also we'll use this point. So on this point what we will do is, with the help of a jimmy, we'll just press this point properly for 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then apply one black gram seed, or we'll apply one black gram seed, or we'll apply one pancreatitis. Yes, it will. We can use this point for that. Okay, black gram seed or white pea seed, and you will apply it on this point properly. Okay, for pancreatic, you can use this point for that. Anything related to pancreas, you can use this point. For diabetes, one more thing which you need to do is, you need to use this blue ball 2 minutes 3 times a day, before your lunch, before your breakfast, and before your dinner. Okay, 20 minutes before it, before your lunch, before your dinner, before your breakfast, 20 minutes before it, only and only for 2 minutes you will apply, or you will use this blue ball on your hands properly, like this. Okay, like we roll laddu or something like that, or if you are doing a roti dough and we roll it like this on our palms, right? So, similarly we need to just roll this blue ball on your palms for 2 minutes 3 times a day. For diabetes, it will definitely help you for that. Okay, next, so over here till now we have discussed about the pancreas location. Next is the location of our liver and gallbladder. Let us now know about it. See, in the end, this is the location of our liver. This is the location of our liver, and you can see this circle, small P shape. This is the location of our gallbladder. Okay, liver and gallbladder. Is the location clear to everyone? Is the location clear to everyone? Yes, Dr. Anika ji. Okay. Nilanjana ji. Okay. So it is clear to CK Ansari ji. Okay. Okay. This is clear to everyone. So on liver and gallbladder, what issues we have? Talking about liver especially now. Okay. Talking about liver. If someone is having problem of hepatitis, if someone is having problem of hepatomegaly, that means the liver, the size of the liver is growing, is enlarged. If someone is having problem of swelling in or inflammation in liver, liver failure, liver cirrhosis problem, that means the size of the liver is shrinking. If someone is having problem of nausea or vomiting, okay, if someone is having problem of nausea, vomiting, hepatitis, hepatomegaly, that means the liver size is enlarging. Or if someone is having problem of shrinking of liver size is getting small, liver failure, okay, or any other kind of liver disorder, what we will do, we will stimulate this liver point, and we will stimulate this liver point, and we will apply one black gram seed on this point properly. Okay. Talking about jaundice, for jaundice what you need to do is, you need to cover the liver point, as well you need to cover your gallbladder point. So you will apply one black gram seed on this point properly of the liver point, and another tape, you will take another black gram seed and apply on the gallbladder region too. Okay, so that will be 2 black gram seeds or 2 pea seeds, and you will apply it like this on the tape. That will be the treatment specially for jaundice. Okay. This will be the treatment specially for jaundice. Yes, Anushaj, you can definitely put the methi seeds. That is also fine. Okay. Anika ji, for metabolism, to increase your overall body metabolism, you can definitely use the spleen point. Okay. And to increase all these things, you can use this blue ball. It will really help you. Is it clear to everyone now? Let's move ahead with the intestine points if it is clear. Yes, for bile, as you can know, the gallbladder is responsible for bile duct issues. You can use the gallbladder point. For hepatitis, for fatty liver, you can use the liver point. Yes, Sujata ji. Okay, for liver detox also you can use this liver point. It will help. If your liver is detoxed or is working well, you will not face many issues in your body. Especially it goes with your spleen also. Similarly, it goes with the spleen also. Color, Sanat ji, different colors for different problems. For Neetu ji, stones in liver, if you are talking about that, then it will also help, the liver point will help. For any other stones, whichever organ you are having the stones, you can use that points, that correspondence points. Okay. So is it clear to everyone? Should we move ahead with large intestine points? Sanat ji, for what problem you are applying blue color? That is the main thing. Because applying different colors have side effects too. Okay, if you don't use the right color. Liver detoxification, you can use the liver point. Okay, for to detox the liver, you can use the liver point. Bhavika ji, there should be a difference of around 30 minutes after having your meals. If you are using the points or if you are applying seeds, maximum to maximum 30 minutes gap is more than enough. Okay, sorry, minimum 30 minutes gap, maximum how much ever is okay. Okay, Dinesh ji, clear? Itachi, okay, clear. So now we'll go with the large intestine points. Okay, starting with from the small finger. Sujata ji, as said, different problems, different colors. We cannot discuss color therapy totally in this. Okay, please go stick with seed therapy over here. Okay, small finger, starting from the between the small finger and the ring finger. If you go straight down over here, this is the location of our appendix. The pointed part over here, this will be the location of our appendix. Then this is the ascending colon, the transverse colon, the descending colon, and from here till the back side over here, this will be the ending. The anus location will be over here. Okay, see again. Okay, this is the location of the appendix. Then over here down is the ascending colon, the transverse colon, the descending colon, and over here till the back side, this will be the location of our anus on the back side of our hand. For liver detoxification, you can use blue color on the liver point. Only and only for liver detoxification, okay? For gallbladder stone, you will use the gallbladder point, okay? You can apply one pea seeds or one black Bengal gram seed on the gallbladder point. Is the liver location, is the large intestine location clear to everyone? Please let me know. Is the large intestine location clear to everyone? Yes? Okay. So if someone is having problem of appendicitis or appendix problem, so this, the pointed area, okay, the pointed area will be the appendix point, okay. On this point, we'll take one black gram seed, Bengal gram seed or white piece you can take and apply it on this portion like this. Okay? For stimulating this large intestine point. Yes, I'll definitely show it. See, the starting will be from here between the small and the ring finger. If you go below this point, this will be the, okay, this will be the region of the appendix. Then over here, this is the ascending colon, transverse colon over here, then descending colon, and it will end over here on the back side of our hand. On the anus region will come over here between middle finger and ring finger. Okay, if someone is having appendix problem, you will use this appendix point. Okay, if someone is having, like if you are about to stimulate this point, how will you stimulate? Just remember that. Okay, normally for any kind of large intestine problem, you will press, starting from the appendix point, you will start pressing it like this. Okay, from appendix to ascending colon, then descending colon, then transverse colon and descending colon, and then going till the backside anus point. If you, thank you Sujata ji, thank you so much. Okay, if you press it in the opposite or in the anti-circular way, if you press it like this, starting from the anus location till the appendix point, then you may have problem of constipation. Okay, there are chances of having problem of constipation. Okay, so always press these points starting from the appendix till the anus point. Okay, only and only if you are having problem of diarrhea, which is called as loose motion problem, then only you will start pressing it from the anus location till the appendix region. For rest, any kind of large intestine problem, you will start from the appendix region till the till the anus area. Okay, please remember it. So if you are having problem of diarrhea, in which side you will press? You will start from where and you will end where? If you are having problem of diarrhea, from where you will start to press your large intestine and where you will end? Yes, please let me know. If you are having issues of diarrhea, from where will you start to press? Okay, like will you start pressing from the anus area or from the appendix area? Yes, Anika ji, your answer is right. For diarrhea, we will start pressing from the anus location, then we will press on the transverse colon, descending colon and the ascending colon. Okay? Sorry, the descending colon, transverse colon and the ascending colon. We will start from the upper side and we will go towards the down. And if you are having problem of constipation or any other kind of large intestine disorder, from where will you start to press? If you are not having diarrhea, but you are having constipation or any other kind of large intestine problem, from where will you start to give stimulation or press the points of large intestine? From anus or from appendix point? Yes, Sureshji, right. From appendix to anus point. From appendix area. Yes, Nilanjana ji, right. Appendix to anus, NLG, right. Okay. So I guess this much is clear to everyone. So if anyone is having problem of appendicitis, if you are having problem of typhoid fever, okay, then also you will use the large intestine points. If you are having problem of large intestinal tumors, loose motion problem, constipation problem, okay, piles problem, for all this thing you will use this point. Okay, for everything you will use this point, you will stimulate this point and you will apply one black gram seed or Bengal gram seed, one on this point over here like this. Then you will take the other one and in the middle over here you will still apply one, and one more you will apply on this point properly. So you will apply three seeds. Okay, is it clear to everyone? For large intestinal area you will apply this, or you can actually cover the whole area with single one seeds. If you have that much time and if you have that much issues, you can do that also. Or else you can take 3 seeds and apply one in the center over here, one in the center over here, one in the center over here. That will also be fine. If someone is having piles issue, piles generally we have on the back side, on the anus area, right? So our anus region is in the between of the piles or anus prolapse on both these problems. Okay, between the middle finger and ring finger on the back side of our hand, you can see this point I have colored. Over here you will apply black color. You will also apply one black gram or Bengal gram seed and apply it on this point like this. Okay, so this will be the treatment of this will be the treatment of anus prolapse or piles. Is it clear to everyone? Yes, please write a yes so that we can move forward or ahead. Yes, Zaraji, okay. It is clear to you? Okay. So, in between the large intestines is the location of the small intestines. You can see I have marked it with black color over here. This will be the location of our small intestines. Clear? Okay. Okay. So, this is the location of our small intestine. If you are having problem of abdominal pain, tumor, okay, or ulcers in small intestine, intestinal obstruction, swelling in small intestine or inflammation in small intestine, hernia, okay, IBS problem, that is irritable bowel syndrome, or IBD problem, ulcerative colitis, you are having any of this problem, you will press this point properly with the help of a jimmy, and on the center of this point you will take one black gram seed or Bengal gram seed or white pea seed and apply it on this point properly in the center. Okay. Sanatji, any of the points, you do not have to apply for pregnant women. Okay. No points. No acupressure point should be done on any of our pregnant women. Okay. If you are taking them to a proper acupressurist, a therapist, and if he is doing, then that is another thing, but we should not do it by ourselves. Is it clear to everyone? Should we move forward? Ambika ji, there is more time left to discuss about legs. Please wait. Yes, Chagaji. Then also you can do the massage in the same way and apply seeds on the point. Okay. Seed name we were using right now is Bengal gram seed. Okay. In Hindi it is called as chana dana, black chana. और you can use as white pea seeds, सफेद वटाना जिसे हिंदी में कहा जाता है, and in English it is called as white pea seed. Okay, next we will be talking about urinary bladder point. So let's see the location of the urinary bladder. Sabir ji, if you have filled the form, then you are definitely registered and you can still see if you are not like filled the form. Sabir ji, you can definitely still see the videos, but the certifications, those who have registered, they only will get the certificate of this, okay? Those who have filled the forms. So, the location of the urinary bladder on the front side of our hand, in between the middle finger and the ring finger over here, this will be the location of our urinary bladder. This from now on, okay, from now on talking about urinary bladder, kidney, female reproductive system, male reproductive system, or talking about back points, this will be on both the hands, okay. Only the point from stomach, spleen, pancreas, liver, gallbladder, large intestine, small intestine, their location only and only on the left hand. Now, whichever points we are discussing or we will be discussing ahead, the points are on both the hands. Do remember that, okay? All these points will be on both the hands. Is everyone able to hear me? Am I audible to everyone? Yes? Yes? Okay, okay. So the location is clear to everyone? The urinary bladder location is clear to everyone? Is the urinary bladder location clear to everyone? Okay, okay. So everyone is saying yes. So if you are having problem of urine inconsistency, okay, if anyone is having problem of urine inconsistency, stones in bladder, okay, urinary bladder stones, UTI problem, urinary tract infection problem, bladder prolapse problem, or if in some kids there is a problem of bedwetting, or in adult people or old age people, if anyone is having problem of bedwetting, then also you can use this urinary bladder point. Urine inconsistency, that means there are like dribbling of urine. The drop by urine is like going, passing, okay, if someone is having this problem. Or if in women there is problem like if they laugh loud or if they sneeze loudly, the urine, they are not able to control the urine and 2 to 3 drops of the urine just come out, okay, of the bladder. If they are having such issues, you will use this urinary bladder point. Okay, so what you will do is, Swaraji, you can apply it anyway. It is no issue like applying it on the tail side or the mouth side. Any is fine, okay? No particular type of using it, okay? So what you will do is, you will take a jimmy. With the help of the jimmy, you will press this point for 30 seconds to 1 minute properly, and then, okay, and then we will take one Bengal gram seed and apply it on this point properly, okay. This point, urinary bladder point, is on both the hands, not only on right hand, not only on left hand, but both the hands, okay. The points of stomach, spleen, then pancreas, then liver and gallbladder, and large intestine and small intestine. These points were only and only on left hand. Rest all the points we discussed or which we will discuss now will be on both the hands, okay. Over here we will again take the same black gram seed, Bengal gram seed, chana, which is called in Hindi. Ramesh ji, is it clear to you? Yes, like we will use these points on both the hands, starting from urinary bladder, then kidney points, then we will discuss about male and female reproductive system, back points, all will be on both the hands, and only points of stomach, spleen, liver and gallbladder, pancreas, then large intestine, small intestine will be on the left hand only, okay. Yes, so till now we discussed about urinary bladder. Now let us talk about the location of our kidneys. Okay, let's talk about the location of our kidneys. So kidneys will come on the back side of our hand. So first there are two kidneys, as we all know that there are two kidneys in a human body. So our first kidney will be in between the small finger and ring finger. If you go straight down over here, see between the knuckles, in the spaces there over here, if you go straight down in straight form, you will feel a hole kind of, a depression kind of thing. Okay, wherever you feel a depression or a hole kind, there will be the location of your kidney. Your kidney one will come over here. See, suppose I am pressing over here and I am feeling a depression or a hole in this area. Okay, this area I am feeling a depression or a hole. Then this will be my kidney number 1. See, like this. This will be my kidney number 1. And then the second kidney will come between the index finger and the middle finger. If we go straight down, okay, and wherever you feel like a hole or a depression, okay, will be the location of the second kidney. See, I can feel it over here. So this will be the location of my second kidneys. See, so this is the location of the kidneys. You can see one is a bit upwards and one is bit downwards, okay, because both the kidneys are not in one line, they are a bit lower or above of each other, like this, okay. So the location also will be bit different. And in particular, in every person the location will be different. In some people the hole might be a bit more lower, or someone will feel the holes over here on this portion also. Okay. Shabir, the date of birth is okay. There is no issue with that. If you have registered your filled the form, you will receive the certificate. Do not worry about that. Okay. The location of his kidneys is clear to everyone. Please let me know. Or if someone is still having a doubt, and if you want me to repeat it, I'll definitely repeat it. The size of the seeds depend on organ. No, it is nothing like that. Clear? Okay. Which is the left kidney and which is the right kidney? We'll discuss about that also. Okay. So the first one, towards the thumb side, whichever is towards the thumb side. Suppose this is my, see, this is my right hand, okay, and this is towards the thumb side is this one. So this one will be my right kidney and this will be my left kidney, the opposite hand one. Similarly, if in this side, so the first one, the first kidney over here towards thumb side will be my left kidney, and the second kidney over here will be my right kidney of the opposite hand. Is it clear? White matar dana, which is called as pea seeds in English, white pea seeds, or black chana, which is the Bengal gram seed, okay. Black chana or white pea seed is okay, not the white chana dana or white gram seeds, okay, not that one, because they are way too big in size. Okay, is the location clear to everyone? Yes. Okay, so if someone is having kidney infection, then what color or which color will you use on kidney points? If someone is having kidney infection, which color will you use on kidney points? If someone is having kidney infection, which color will you use on kidney points? Henry ji, right answer, black color. Nilanjana ji, right answer, black color. Right. Selva ji, right answer. Bhavika ji, right answer. Okay. And which seeds will be used on kidney correspondence? Saini ji right answer, Anika ji right answer, Neelu ji right answer, Bhuvan ji right answer. Okay, which seeds will be used in the kidney correspondence? Does anybody know about it? Kidney beans. Right, Saini ji. Yes, we will use kidney beans. Zara ji, your answer is right. CK ji, not Asari ji. I'm so sorry. We will not use black chana dana. We will use over here is kidney beans. Okay. So we will take 2 kidney seeds on our paper tape. Okay, so if someone is having problem of infection, any kind of infection in kidneys, swelling in kidneys, kidney stone problem, shrunken kidneys or kidney size is enlarging, enlargement of kidneys, hydronephrosis, or for all kind of urinary problems, urinary bladder problems right now we discussed. For all of this, we will use two kidney bean seeds and we'll apply it facing its face should be towards one another. Okay, so if this one over here, see like this we will apply, their faces should be towards one another, so they should be seeing each other. Like this we'll apply seeds on this point, on the kidney points like this. Okay, they should face each other. We'll apply 2 kidney seeds on this point properly. For kidney failure also we can use the same treatment. Yes, on this point we will use only and only rajma seeds or kidney beans. Okay, for any kind of kidney disorder like kidney infection, swelling in kidney, kidney stones, shrunken kidney, hydronephrosis problem, nephrins, any kind of nephrin problem. Okay, or for all kind of urinary bladder disorders like we discussed of urine inconsistency, stone in bladder, stone in kidney, urinary bladder prolapse problem, bedwetting problem. For all these problems also you will use with urinary bladder point, you will also use the kidney points. Okay, do remember that. Okay. Okay, Rita Gandhi ji, the location. Right now I will discuss it once again. Please do listen it carefully. See, between the small finger and ring finger, if you go straight down, okay, wherever you feel a depression or hole, that will be your kidney number 1. Okay, similarly on the index finger and middle finger, if you go straight down, wherever you feel a depression or a hole, that will be the location of your second kidney. Okay. Kidney beans we will use for any kind of infection in kidney. We will use black color on the kidney location and then we will apply rajma seeds properly on it. Okay, clear with everyone? Is this much clear with everyone? Yes, is it clear to everyone? Should we move ahead? Yes, okay, okay. So now we will be talking about female reproductive system. Okay. See, this point we will be the same. The urinary bladder point, you will take this will resemble the location of the uterus in the female reproductive system, and then you will draw 2 circles like this on both the sides of the circle, on both the sides of this uterus. Then this will be the location of the ovaries. Okay, so the middle part will be the location of the uterus, and on both the sides this will be the location of the ovaries. Is it clear to everyone? The middle part will show the location of the uterus, and on both these sides this point will be the location of the ovaries. Okay, Is the location clear to everyone? Yes? Yes, clear with everyone? Okay. So what problems do female face? They face menstrual disorders like early periods, late periods, scanty periods, there is a very low flow of periods, or excess of flow, like there is too much of period flow going on, painful periods, irregular periods, okay. Or they have also have problem of fibroids in uterus, ovarian cyst, uterus prolapse problem, or swelling or infection or inflammation in the uterus or ovary region. Any of these issues, okay? Any of issues in like ovaries or uterus, you will use this point. PCOD, PCOS, ovarian cyst, then fallopian tube blockage, ovarian cyst, uterus fibroids. If someone is having menstrual disorders, for all this problem, okay, we will use this points, this 3 points. So what you will do is, you will just, with the help of a jimmy, we will press these points properly, and then we will take a paper tape. We will take 3 black gram seeds or chana dana. And you will place it like this in a triangular form. See, and then apply it properly on this point. Okay, apply it properly on this point. We will apply 3 seeds on this point in a triangular way. So this will be the treatment for any kind of female reproductive issues. This also will help if some female is having problem of what we can say it as, what is it said, is not able to have kids problem, okay, that kind of problem if also someone is having, you can use this point, okay. Thank you so much, Ramesh, thank you so much. You enjoyed it. I am happy to hear it. The magnets over here will depend on which problem you are having. So it will be difficult and confusing for people to know about it right now. So we are not talking about them, and we are only talking about seeds. We'll next time definitely come up with magnets also, because sometimes the magnets get difficult. And using if you are not using it properly, and if you don't know which to use where, yeah, infertility problem, I was talking about that, I'm so sorry. Okay, if like which to use where, and if you use if I'm saying you need to tonify that point, and if you are sedating, then there may be problems, like there may be arise of another problem in your body, or in the problem in the body of a person who is having this problem. So we are only discussing about seeds right now, okay. Okay, so now menopause problem also you can use these 3 points. So is this clear with everyone? Should we just move ahead with the male reproductive system? Please tell me. Is it clear with everyone? Should we move ahead with the male reproductive system? Dinesh said okay. Clear with everyone? Yes, no, please reply. Yes, okay. Both hands you need to apply this treatment. Yes, you need to do the treatment on both the hands. Okay, so this was the treatment for female reproductive system. For fibroids also the same treatment you can give. Okay, you will apply 3 black gram seeds or Bengal gram seeds on this point. Okay, the male reproductive system. Please just listen. Ambika ji, we just discussed about the female having problem of leaking urine while coughing and laughing when we were discussing about urinary bladder point. Okay, You can use the urinary bladder point for that problem. Okay. Right now we are discussing about male reproductive system. For male reproductive system, the location. Please listen carefully for the location. You are most welcome. You are most welcome. Okay. Please listen for the male reproductive system problems. Henry G, we discussed about PCOD. You can use this point. Okay. Ovarian cyst. You can use these 3 points. For male reproductive system, please listen the location carefully. So for female reproductive system, the big circle was above and there were 2 small circles just below it, right? But there will be only this change in male reproductive system, that is the big circle will be a bit low, okay, and these 2 circles will be above it. Okay, I will not be able to draw it right now. So please try to understand it, that this over here, this will be the location of the 2 small circles and this big circle will come a bit downwards. Okay, the 2 small circles will be above. See, you can see this triangle over here. It will be just an what we can say an ulta triangle or the opposite triangle. Okay, so the 2 circles, the 2 small circles will be above it and the big circle will come down. I'll just try to make it on this hand. Okay, if you are able to see it. See, this will be the location. 2 small circles above and 1 big circle will be below it, like this. Is it clear to everyone? Yes, is it clear to everyone? Please let me know. See, I literally just use this red color right now. I can feel heat in my body. Okay, so that's why we say that do not use points unnecessarily, do not use other colors on the point. Okay, is it clear to everyone? So for any kind of prostate problem like male disorders like prostate enlargement problem, varicocele problem, hydrocele problem, testosterone deficiency, night fall problem, erectile dysfunction problem, premature ejaculation problem, low sperm count or any other such issues. Okay, any such issues like prostate enlargement, varicocele, hydrocele, testosterone problem, okay, night fall problem, erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, low sperm count or any other issues related to male reproductive system, we will be talking. Ambika ji, you will receive the whole recording of this session. Please, right now we are on the point of male reproductive system. Okay. For that, we will do the same treatment. We will just use the jimmy and apply pressure on the points, and then you will apply this type. In this type, you will apply 3 black gram seeds on the points properly. Okay. Is it clear with everyone? Okay, is it clear with everyone? Then we will move towards the another topic of ours. Is it clear with everyone? Please let me know. Okay. Yes. Now let us discuss about our hands. Let us discuss about the location of our hands. As we said, where is the location of our hands? On the fingers. Which finger do represent our hands? Please let me know it once again. Which fingers correspond or represent our hands? Which fingers correspond or represents our hand? Right, Rushabh ji, right, Suresh ji, right, CK Asari ji, Henry ji, okay, Nilanjana ji, Seni ji, okay, RSU Satyanarayan ji, yes, right. Index finger and the small finger corresponds our hand. Okay. And one more thing I'll tell you over here is the first finger, the index finger, and the index finger will be the what we can say dominant one. Okay. So if this is my left hand, so this will be my left index finger, and this left hand, and this will be my right hand. Small finger will be my right hand. Similarly, in the right hand, this will be the index finger will be the location of my right hand, and the small finger will be the location of my left hand. Okay, this one will be the dominant one, this one will be the recessive one. The recessive one will always show the other side of the hand's location or the leg's location. Do remember that. Okay, index and little finger, yes, the answer is right. So which one will be the dominant? The index finger will always be dominant. That means it will show the hand. Okay, whichever hand it is, it will show the location of that hand. And the small finger will be the recessive one. So it will show the opposite side of hand. Clear with everyone? Yes? Okay. Suresh ji said clear, Ambika ji said clear, Dinesh ji said yes, Rushabh ji said yes, Surendra ji said yes. Okay. Okay. So there are 3 joints in our hands, as we know. Nilanjana ji, okay. I'll just repeat it once again. Please hear it very clearly. The index finger or whichever hand it is, it will show that hand only. So this is my left hand, the index finger will show my left hand. This is my right hand, the index finger will show my right hand. The small finger will always be the recessive one, so it will show the opposite hand. It will show the opposite hand. So over here, this is my right hand, this is my this is my left hand, this is my left hand small finger. It will correspond the right hand. Okay. This is my right hand small finger. It will correspond the left hand. Clear, clear, clear. Okay, Lanjana ji? Okay. Okay. So we have 3 joints on the hands. The 3 joints are the shoulder joint, the elbow joint, and the wrist joint, and the remaining are finger part. Okay. See, the shoulder joint is connected with the what we can say. Like this main part of the body or the center of our body. Most welcome, Nilanjana ji. Okay, so this way also over here, this will be the location or the lowest joint over here on the index finger. Please do remember that I am talking about both the hands. Right now I am not able to just like come together with both. Do remember we are discussing the both these fingers together. Okay, so this will be the shoulder joint on both the fingers. Okay, over here this will be the elbow joint, this will be the wrist joint, and the upside area, the area which is toward the nails, will be the location of our fingers. Okay, shoulder joint, elbow joint, wrist joint, and then fingers. Similarly over here, shoulder joint, elbow joint, wrist joint, and the fingers. Okay. Yes, so if someone is having problem in the shoulder joint area, if someone is having shoulder problem, shoulder dislocation problem, shoulder pain problem, or any other such kind of issues, what you will do? You will take a ring like this. With the help of the ring, you will rotate this ring on the index finger like this properly. Okay? You will just rotate it like this properly, and then you will take, again you will use the methi seeds or the fenugreek seeds and apply it like this on the full area of the over here like this. Okay, so this will be the treatment for shoulder issues, any kind of shoulder pain, shoulder frozen shoulder, or any other shoulder issue. You will do the same treatment. Okay, is it clear with everyone? Yes, okay. So this, now we're talking about the elbow joint. If someone is having if someone is having elbow pain, having problem of tennis elbow, okay, or any other kind of elbow problem like tennis elbow, elbow pain, any other kind of problem on the second joint over here, you will just again you will do the same thing. You will use the ring, you will properly stimulate the ring. Thank you so much, Sujata ji. I am so grateful that you are enjoying this, like you all are enjoying this workshop. Thank you so much. Okay, so we'll use the ring for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Again, we will take we will take the methi seed tape. Okay, mine is actually now torn. Okay, so please understand, you will apply one methi seed tape on the whole joint area properly. Please understand now. Okay, if someone is having again wrist problem, if someone is having wrist pain, carpal tunnel syndrome problem, or any other kind of wrist issues, okay, if they are having, then we will press the first joint. We'll use the ring, then we'll apply methi seeds on the first joint area of our index finger as well as the small finger, depending which hand you are having pain. Okay, thank you, Nanduji. Yes. Okay, and then talking about fingers, if you are having finger pain, if you are having cramps in fingers, if you are having numbness in fingers, if you are having trigger finger problem, so you will apply, like you will use a ring on the index finger top area properly and apply methi seed, cover the whole index area, the top of the hand area. Okay, like, and do remember one more thing, just do not apply methi seeds on the front side or not on the back side. Apply it fully in a round way. Okay, like cover the front and the back side both. So is it clear with everyone? So is it clear with everyone? Okay, and similarly, if someone is having this arm pain over here, if they are having arm pain, so between the shoulder joint and elbow joint, this area, you will press this area and you will apply seeds on this area. Thank you so much, Bhavika ji. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dhanalakshmi ji, Nandu ji. Thank you so much. Okay, Sujata ji. Thank you so much. Yes. Okay. Now we'll just go ahead with our legs location. Okay. As we know, middle finger and ring finger are the location of our legs. Okay. As I said, the index finger will be the dominant one. Similarly, the middle finger will be the dominant one for the legs. So this is my left side of the body. So the middle finger will represent the left leg and the ring finger will be the recessive one. So it will represent the right leg. Similarly, on the other hand, this is my right side of the body. So middle finger will represent the right leg and the small finger, which is the recessive one, will represent what we can say is the left leg. Okay. Thank you so much, Nilanjana ji. Thank you so much. Okay. So is it clear with everyone the location of the legs? Okay. Now, as we know, the thighs are connected with the body region. Okay. So this will be the location of the thighs. The lower one. This lower one will be the location of our thighs on both these fingers. Then this will be the knee joint area. The second one will be the knee joint area. Then the upper one will be the ankle joint area. And over here, this region, the upper phalanx area of middle and ring finger will be the region of our foot area, our feet area. Okay, our heel area will be the location of it. Clear with everyone? So we'll do the same treatment. If someone is having thigh pain, you will just use the ring and you will just thigh pain or hip pain. Okay, you will use it for Shabir, thank you so much. You are enjoying it. I'm really feeling grateful of that. Okay, you will use a ring and then you will apply methi seeds on that area. Okay, thigh area you will cover the whole region over here. If someone is having knee pain, then if they are having problem of knee pain, with knee pain, if they are having problem of degeneration in knee, the water is there or some liquid gel type substance is there in the knees. If that is like what we can say is less, okay, to generate it more, you will use the knee point. If there are osteophytes in knees or any other kind of knee issues, you will use this point of the knee. Okay. Then talking about ankle joint, if someone is having ankle sprain problem or any other kind of ankle problem, you can use this first point or the first joint line. You will just use a ring and you will use methi seed on that or fenugreek seed tape on that point. If someone is having calf muscle pain, especially for calf muscle pain, so between the knee area till the ankle joint area over here, this will be the region for calf muscle. You can use this point. If someone is having heel pain, or if they are having toes issue, or like issues with related to just lower part of our legs, then this will be the front joint. You will cover the whole front joint area. Is it clear with everyone? Yes, is it clear with everyone? Yes, if anybody needs any kind of explanation more, please let me know. Clear? Okay. Now we have the very last and very important topic left, which is talking about our spine region. Okay, so let us talk about that now. Let us talk about the spine region now. Starting from the thoracic one, which just comes besides or below the cervical area, till our tailbone or the coccyx region. Let us discuss it now. Yes, for heel pain also you can use fenugreek seeds, definitely. So just below the cervical joint over here, you can see the cervical joint till, if you draw a line till the wrist joint like this, okay. And if you draw a line in the center of this properly, this will be the region of our thoracic points. Okay, so if someone is having upper back pain, you will use this point. There might be any kind of degeneration in the upper back, or if they are having problem of degeneration, pain in upper back, slip disc problem in the upper back, in the thoracic region, T4, T5 problem, T10, T12 problem, any kind of such issues, you will use this point. So what you will do, you will take a jimmy. With the help of the jimmy, you will just rotate this over here like this. You will give a good stimulation on this point for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then you will take fenugreek seed tape. You will take it like this and you will apply this on this point properly to cover the thoracic pain. Okay. Then, is thoracic area clear with everyone? Please let me know. Yes, is thoracic area clear with everyone? Yes, okay, Nilanjana ji, okay. Now, talking about our lumbar area, sacral area. Okay, let us talk about that now. So, between both the kidneys over here will be our spine region. In between the middle finger and ring finger, if you draw a straight line till the wrist joint, this will be the location of our spine area. Okay, this will be the location of our spine area. Understood? Okay. Yes, this Silvaji, yes, it will come on both the hands. Okay. So if you draw this this much, not this much, a bit more, till here. Okay. Not this much, till here, till the kidneys location over here will be the region of the lumbar area. Okay. Then over here will be the location of the sacral area full. Okay. Till sacral and the tailbone will come towards the lower area. Okay. Lumbar area and sacral and tailbone region. If you divide it on half, yes, it will be in both the hands. Anika ji, it will be on both the hands. Okay. So this will be the lumbar region and the sacral region, and the tailbone region will come over here. So what you will do with the help of the jimmy, you will just first give the stimulation like this for 30 seconds to 1 minute properly. Then with the small jimmy, with the help of the small jimmy, what you will do with the pointed side of the jimmy, will press properly that exactly which area is paining over here. You will take that point. You will note like which area is exactly paining. If someone is saying like I am having tailbone problem, so you know that tailbone will come over here towards anus location, right? So we'll press over here on the lower side. Wherever they are saying that I am feeling pain, I am having pain, you will take methi seeds like this and apply methi seeds on that portion properly. Okay. So if they are saying I am having lumbar pain, so you know that this is the location of the lumbar area. Okay. So you will give a pressure over here and then apply seeds on the points properly. Clear with everyone? Should I explain it once again? What should I explain, Anika ji? Please let me know. This location of the spine will be on both the hands. Okay, thoracic region will come over here. Then talking about our lumbar area. See the lumbar area between the middle finger and the small finger. The rest of the spine will come over here like this. Okay. From the between our middle finger and small finger, if we draw a straight line towards the wrist joint, so the upper one, okay, towards the wrist side, this part will be of the lumbar region. This will be the region of the sacral area, and over here like this will be the region of our coccyx or tailbone. Okay, clear with everyone now? Yes, is it clear with everyone? So whenever you are having pain, if someone is telling you that I am having pain, or if you are personally feeling pain in any location, then you will press the whole region properly, and wherever you feel you are feeling pain, you will apply methi seeds on that point. Between ring finger and middle finger, okay? Not on the ring finger side, between that. Clear with everyone? See, the location of the lumbar will come over here in this part. Okay, wrist joint towards wrist joint, this will be the region of the lumbar. Okay, this will be the location of the sacral, and over here on the lower side, this will be the location of the region of the coccyx area. Okay, so this will be the region of all these points. Okay, clear? No, Selvaji, it will be in between the middle and the ring finger. Not on the ring finger side, not on the middle finger side, but in between them, where we located the piles point or the anus point, just from that if you go straight towards the wrist joint. If there is pain between the sides of the back, okay, so this point will be over here towards the kidney sides. Index finger and middle finger over here, this will be the location of the sides of the back point. You will feel pain on the sides, so that will be the location of the sides of the back. Is it clear with everyone? Any issues? Selvaji, what small finger? I am not able to understand. Please let me know. Clear? Okay. Thank you so much. So dominant side, okay? Always treat sides of the back on the dominant side and not on the recessive side. So whichever, if suppose this is my right side and my right side of the back, over here the sides it is paining, then between the middle finger and the index finger, I will press this point over here. Okay? Okay, clear with everyone? Great, great. So we have covered mostly everything today. If anything is left out, please let me know, or if you want to know about anything else, please let me know. Definitely, Surendraji, kidneys can be revived by acupressure. Yes, Ritaji. We discussed right now about the shoulder joint. We also discussed about frozen shoulder on that. For fever, like what type of fever? If you are having general fever, normal fever, you will treat the spleen organ, because the spleen is actually represents or actually increases our immunity. These seeds has to be applied in a day for 8 to 10 hours only. Okay? It should be applied for 8 to 10 hours only. Do not use it more than that. And from how many days if you will get a result, if you're talking about that, then it will depend on which problem if you are having and how many days you are having the problem. On hands, like on legs, it is quite difficult to apply seeds or magnets. Okay, so we do not give treatment on legs. We only give treatments on hand. You can definitely press the points on leg and that you can do it, but applying seeds is a bit of difficult. Body pain, if you are having body pain, like what body is paining, you can give a full massage of hand. Okay, starting from your head region, then your legs, your hands, you can actually do the full massage with the help of a ring, okay, or with the help of the jimmy, you can do that. For fever, if you are having fever, slight fever, normal fever, you should always treat your spleen organ. For any kind of pain also, you can use the spleen organ, okay. Okay. Anything else, everyone? Or should we end the live session over here? Okay? Bhavika ji, problem of back pain. Right now we discussed about the spine points. Wherever you feel pain in the spine, in the between the spine area, wherever you feel pain, you can apply methi seeds or fenugreek seeds on that point. Most welcome, Sini ji. Sabhi ji clear? Okay, chalo. Then we'll end this live session over here. I hope you all really enjoyed this session. Okay, and I had seen so many responses of yours, and that is actually motivating me to make more sessions or to bring more sessions in English, in live. Okay, live English sessions. I'll definitely come up with it. Like I'll actually have more sessions in live in English. Try to have. Okay. You're most welcome, everyone. So that's all for the day, and this recording will get the whole recording. It will be on YouTube. You can search it, you can check it any time of the day. You're most welcome, everyone. Okay, bye bye everyone, take care. Thank you, Nilanjana ji. See, if you are enjoying it like this, and if you you actually enjoy it, then it makes me it gives me an inspiration to bring more sections in English. Okay, I'll definitely try to come up with it. You're most welcome, everyone. Okay, chalo, bye everyone, take care, God bless you all.